Haruto returns home to find his father on his deathbed. With his final breath, his father gives him an old pocket watch, warning him, "Time is more than it seems." That night, Haruto falls asleep, only to awaken in a strange world under twin moons. A monstrous wormling attacks him. In panic, he opens the watch. Click. Time stops.
He knew that he could stop time, but he didn't know that his journey was only just beginning.